When you first walk in the door, here is the bathroom. We have a single sink in this particular room. Nice lighted mirror back behind there. And then a separate water closet. There's also a nice big stand-up shower, and for some reason there's a peekaboo window through to the bedroom area. Not sure what that's for, but there you go. Nice place to hang up your clothes. And then back behind there, it looked like wallpaper on the pictures, but it's in fact some fabric hanging over the wall. There's two side tables on either side of the bed that have USB ports, and then that mini fridge isn't actually stocked, so you can use it as a regular fridge. Really like this couch under the window to sit, relax, take in the view, watch TV. It was kind of nice. There again is that peekaboo through to the shower. Nice TV and desk area, and then a full-length mirror. And now to the best part of the room, I think, is the view. Right now we're looking at the world's largest gift shop, and then we have the Stratosphere. Well, it's formerly known as the Stratosphere, now known as the Strat. And then back in the distance there is Fremont Street. You had a pretty clear view of the roller coaster up on top of the Strat that kind of dips you over the edge. And then we actually saw a couple of people jumping off from that blue area right there doing bungee jumps. Now we're down on the casino floor. I thought we'd do a quick walk around and show you what the Sahara has to offer. The decor at the Sahara is very bright, very modern, but with touches of the past. The Sahara Las Vegas is a very lounge-heavy property, and we'll be showing you several of them as we do our walkthrough. This one is the Kas Bar. It's across from the main casino in the cashier area. The Sahara opened in 1952 and operated continuously on this site until 2011. At that time, it closed until 2014, and it was reopened under the name SLS. It went through change of ownership a few more times, and then in 2019, it was renamed back to the Sahara Las Vegas. So during the time that it changed hands from the SLS to the Sahara Las Vegas, the property went through extensive renovations. But they did leave, as you can see, these pictures and a lot of reminders of how the Sahara started and the original performers who were here in the history of the property. So the Sahara doesn't offer coffee makers in the room, which most Las Vegas properties don't, but there's a nice Starbucks right off the elevator from our room. This place over here had coffee, they had gelato, baked goods, so you have a lot of options in the morning when you want to get your morning coffee. Now this is a lounge that I thought was, again, kind of an homage to the past and the performers who were here. There's all these little reminders and paying history to the way the Sahara used to be throughout the property. So here's a quick look at the gift shop. When you walk in, they have your traditional coffee mugs, your t-shirts, your refrigerator magnets, all the things that you would want to take home to commemorate your trip to Las Vegas. They do also have some cold drinks and grocery items that you could take up to your room as well. This is the Tanager Lounge that's right next to the gift shop and right off the elevators from our hotel tower. The Sahara is one of the stops on the Las Vegas Monorail, so it makes it really convenient to just jump on the monorail. You can get over to the convention center, you can get to the Flamingo in the middle of the strip, and then all the way down to the MGM at the end of the strip. So it makes it convenient if you didn't bring a car with you. This property has so many really cool lounges, just great places to hang out, have a drink, catch up with friends, relax. This is the Concierge Desk. They have the flights on the wall, so if you're, worried about your flight or just want to know if it's on time or not, they have that information right there, which is nice. Here we're walking past the rental car desk, and then over here is the registration check-in. Overall, I think it's a very beautiful property, great rates, right on the monorail, so it's convenient, and it's also located on the strip with some pretty good views, so I would recommend staying at the Sahara Las Vegas. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for our pool tour, which will be next. Have a great day.